How do you feel about the Sexual Harassment Act that is now in effect?
It sounds good because like things that nothing na action na take like no things na action na take so it good to say just step up it because when like a man no look for $1 million man say him not go do that
Or a woman?
a woman.
They will shed highlights out there for others and let them know that they don't have to be afraid, or there are actually persons out there willing to listen to them and for the betterment.
Have you ever experienced sexual harassment in the workplace?
Yes, I have,
Mm-hmm.
especially with male bosses. They tend to bribe you or hold some things over your head. Like especially the money what you're working for, there's like you're not gonna get your full money if you not do this, or if you sleep with me, I can make your life better, I can give you this if you sleep with me. I was attending nursing school at one point when I was working for the place, and they told me the owner, the boss, the CEO told me that if I had sexual relations with him, he'd pay my school fee for me and he'd make sure I'm all right and I'm not in need of anything. I feel very comfortable with the new law and the new act. Yeah, you have some person, them have to learn the hard way, but most of them will back off or calm down or do less, but them not gonna just stop. So, but them are go if and but towards it, and that is a good thing because none rule, none regulation, a guideline, not never there, so them couldn't just freely do as them please. We feel more better now. We feel a little bit more protected about it.
How do you feel about the Sexual Harassment Act? Do you
Not
think
good.
it's a good? Not good?
Not good.
Why?
It's bad. Because there's no way we can see Jamaica bad from a born and growing up to now. Always say man and woman always are called to. Woman are called to man, man are called to woman. So if we say a nice lady, we're going to compliment her. So if she feel bad, if we are coming, what we are going to do?
So you don't think when you compliment a lady and she like for instance you call her sexy or you say big bottom or something and she never really like that, you don't think that's harassment?
No.
No?
Because we are called by what we see. As we say, man and woman. That we do. We say things to try to get a woman, and woman say things to try to get a man. So we have to talk what we see. I understand if we're not so, what we're going to do? We're going to just be a dummy and stand up like this. So how we're going to get a female or a woman and get a man. Matter of fact, from ever since the law charge, if you touch somebody by without their permission, you can charge. There was no problem with that. But if the word that come out and the lady say, yo, me not like that. So when I put it now, say if a woman see me and say, what? Come on, you have a bow leg. I mean, I say, baby, don't call me so. How that look? Tell me now. So I say, baby, no, I can tell her, say, baby, you look nice, you know, because she clean. Hello, hi. So she look neat in her clothes. Come on, she gonna charge me for that?